Friends, the way you start the day has a great influence, has a great impact on how the rest of the day would unfold. How well we start the day. When I say how well, let's start the day with a gratitude prayer. Ideally, the time to start the day is Brahma Muhurta, which is 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. I can understand for many it's almost impossible. For some, it is definitely possible. But if you're able to wake up at 5 a.m., you're doing very, very well. When you wake up, the first thought is a gratitude prayer. You say, Pranams to Mata, Pita, Guru, Deivam. My gratitude to my mother, father, my Guru and the Almighty. You can start the day like that. And then maybe it is thank you for the day. Thank you for the day. You're given this day whereby with your profound choices, a lot of improvement can happen in your life, the way you experience life. So it could be a gratitude prayer. And for some people, there could be various affirmations. Today, I'll be in charge of the situations. I'm not going to give any impulsive choices away. So you could use various affirmations as well so that you forcefully bring in your intellect during critical times. So the way you start your day has a phenomenal impact on how the day unfolds. You may not have control over various experiences which happens in your life, but you have a control in the way you can respond to all these experiences. So the whole notion is, when you start the day properly in the progressive way, life's experiences during the day may not be in your control. What unfolds in your life may not be in your control, but how you respond to it is absolutely in your control. How you deal with it is absolutely in your control. So therefore you can deal with it well, provided you take in that experience, that stimuli, the reaction within your mind and intellect is proper, is refined, is progressive. As a result, the response you give into the world is right. So therefore, we are not affected by the experiences. You know, various things are beyond your control. That is how life is designed. But we can respond gracefully, and we should respond gracefully. That's the dignity and grandeur of a human being. There was a great saint all his life, the only words he spoke was, is that so? Is that so? There was another saint, he used to say, Tata Kim, meaning, so what? Not out of ego. Something didn't happen. So what? So what? You can employ whatever suits you, friends, but start the day well. As a result, it has an impact on how the day unfolds. Best wishes.